Every hero has a winter arc, that dark season when nothing feels easy, when everything around you is cold and heavy. Maybe right now you're in that phase too. Low energy, no motivation, and it feels like the world forgot you. But what if I told you this winter could be the exact moment that transforms your entire life? Think about it. In anime, in stories, in real life, the strongest characters are not born in sunshine. They are built in the cold, in silence, when no one is watching. The winter arc isn't just a trend, it's reality. It's that time when you cut off distractions, stop chasing quick dopamine, and go deep into your grind. Maybe you feel left out right now. Your friends are enjoying, scrolling, wasting nights. And you? You're thinking, why am I not like them? Why am I alone in my room struggling with my own thoughts? Listen, this loneliness, this silence, is not a curse. It's your training ground. It's your hidden dojo. The winter arc separates those who wish from those who work. Close your eyes and imagine next summer, the same people who ignored you will look at you differently. They'll say, how did he transform? How did she level up so fast? But what they won't see are these nights, these cold mornings, these moments when you chose discipline over comfort. That's what a winter arc is. Choosing pain today to build a version of yourself that no one can recognize tomorrow. There was a boxer once, nobody knew his name. For 2 years, he disappeared. While others partied, he trained in silence. Winter after winter, when he came back, he shocked the world. People said he was an overnight success, but the truth, his winter arc was just hidden from them. That's exactly how greatness is built. So, how do you build your winter arc? 3 rules. Cut the noise, social media, gossip, endless scrolling. Set the ritual. Wake up, work out, read. Build something every single day. Track progress quietly. Don't post it. Don't tell anyone. Just let the results speak.